This Cybersecurity Awareness Month, we've highlighted why protecting our systems, data, and intellectual property matters now more than ever. Manufacturing is a high-value target. That's something we all know. Cyberattacks can disrupt production, steal proprietary designs, or impact the entire supply chain. From ransomware that halts a production line for a couple days, to stolen engineering plans that delay product launches, the consequences are real and costly. Understanding these risks help us see why vigilance is not optional but essential. The good news is that each of you plays a critical role. Strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, regular updates, careful handling of emails, and monitoring our systems all work together to create a solid defense. All of these measures aren't isolated. They're part of a larger strategy that protects your production lines, designs, and teams. Let me ask you this. If you saw a suspicious email today, would you know how to respond? Are your accounts and devices as secure as they could be? Small, consistent actions like checking your workstation security, backing up important data, and speaking up about unusual activity actually make a big difference. As October comes to an end, we have to remember that cybersecurity isn't a one-month effort. It has to be a year-round commitment. By staying vigilant, supporting one another, and applying the lessons we've explored this month, you can do your part in protecting your people, your intellectual property, and your operations. Every week we covered a new topic. We published a blog post, a downloadable resource, and created a video just like this one, all to help you and your team stay secure and keep the line moving. If you have any follow-up questions, hit that subscribe button, follow 2W Tech on LinkedIn, bookmark 2wtech.com, or give us a call. We've been working with manufacturers for over 30 years, so we know what we're doing. And if you want to hand over your security efforts to us altogether so your internal IT team can focus on what truly matters, growing your business, that's even better. Well, that's all for this Cybersecurity Awareness Month. See you in 2026.